mountain we move. Say, believe, and take action. Say, whatsoever you desire, believe, and receive. Believe and receive.
I want to change my life, live around high and know that my will and bring it to life. Speak and believe for the things that I desire to see. My thoughts materialize.
Say, unto this mountain we move. Say, believe, and take action. Say, whatsoever you desire, believe, and receive. Believe and receive.
I want to see from a realm of divine revelation to know that your will and mine are aligned to lay hold by faith for the things that I desire to see. My words materialize.
Say, unto this mountain we move. Say, believe, and take action. Say, whatsoever you desire, believe, and receive. Believe and receive.
I want my thoughts to move to words, then to action, from words to deeds, and to full manifestation to lift me into high your dimension to see my words materialize. I
Say, unto this mountain we move. Say, believe, and take action. Say, whatsoever you desire, believe, and receive. Believe and receive.
You've written a blank check, oh Lord, you have the power to back it up.
I want to fill it out by faith and say, unto this mountain we move. Say, believe, and take action. Say, whatsoever you desire, believe, and receive. Believe and receive. Believe and receive. And speak.
Glory.
Glory, hallelujah. Say and believe.